Okay, now we want to assemble our birdhouse. We are currently at my dashboard and we are going to create a new document again. This will be our birdhouse. After we make it, instead of just going in and doing our normal thing, we are going to switch over to this Assembly 1 tab. And this will allow us to insert multiple parts. Now, we don't have any current documents open. We are going to have to come over to our other documents, go to My Onshape, and we're going to notice something going on in grayed out text underneath our bolded black text. I went ahead and tried importing this, but realized that we have an extra step to do, something that we don't have to do in Autodesk Inventor, so I wanted to show you guys what was going on so that you guys could follow along and get everything imported and inserted into our assembly before moving on to actually going through the mechanics of assembling in CAD. So we have a version 1 underneath the front title text. That's what V1 means. I'm going to insert that part, and you can see me be able to drag that around. Once I click it, it's now in there. I can also just move that around if I wanted to, but don't need to worry about it. If I want to add more, I will need to add a roof. I need to create a version in roof. So I'm just going to click on that text. I'm going to leave it as V1 version 1. Apparently you can change the name of what version it is. That's up to you. Doesn't super matter. We will create it, and then we will insert the roof. I'm going to zoom out so that I can add all of these. We are going to create a version for our side pieces, and we are going to put in 2 of those. We'll go back, we will add a back piece, creating a version and adding 1 back piece, and then we will add our bottom piece after creating the version for it. Now we have all of our pieces. I'm going to go through that one more time because I exited out of it on accident, and you might too. You might not. Probably smarter than me. We're just going to add all those back in. We have the versions already created, so we don't need to worry about that extra step. We're going to add 2 sides. A back piece, a bottom piece, then we hit that green check mark, and we have everything inserted. Make sure that you have a front piece, a roof, a back, a bottom, a side, and then another side. Since we created all of these on the front plane when we were drawing them, they should all be oriented this way. The locations of our pieces won't be the same, but the orientations of them will be. Let's get started putting this together.